Building a website for your skincare clinic shouldn't be expensive and it shouldn't be too complicated either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple website for your skincare clinic. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built a platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's go ahead and search for our market, skincare clinic. There it is over there. Now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our skincare clinic so it can generate a simple website for us. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for you with the information you've just put in and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to close it off because today I'm going to be showing you the ropes. The beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free for you to use as well. Very professional looking. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your websites. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services. You want to give it a little bit of a personalized touch to each section. You can absolutely do so, and you don't need to know any website coding at all. You don't need to be a web professional in any sort of way or have any sort of web development skills. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. Most people think they need to hire a freelancer or website designer. No, that's definitely not the case. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to make my way through each section and click on the first section now at the top. Great. Let's pop in our email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So let's go ahead and tick that box. Awesome. Pop in your phone number. That is click to call, by the way. And physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links. Put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The links. The icons for the social media channels will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. So your customers and potential customers can connect with you on your social media platforms. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section. Once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on the pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. If you'd like to change the colors on your Mighty Sites website, click on that little paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. No color coding is needed at all. For each section you'd like to make a little bit more personalized to your business, click on that white update section button. Head on over to update image. This is where you could browse your device or search through the photo library. Hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. Or you have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button and pull in those Instagram photos if you have a business profile, that is. Under update action, we can amend the button text on the call to action buttons, as well as where all the buttons link to. You can even upload a PDF file. And if you take calendar online bookings through a third party, you can paste the URL here so people can be redirected to your booking app. So for your skincare clinic appointments. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you here, potential customers with their queries. Keep track of all your leads coming in through this form on your Mighty dashboard. You'll also get notified by your registered email every time a new lead comes in. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it by clicking on the yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your skincare clinic on the Mighty Sites platform, and I'm really wishing you and your business Mighty success.